Hey everyone, Virgo Panda here. Let's do a quick review of the Sweetnight Trifold Mattress. This mattress here I purchased off of Amazon. I've had it now for 2 months. It's a 4-inch mattress. The dimensions are in it. It will come compressed in a box. So just be careful when you open it not to cut it. It could be easy to cut it, but just be careful if you try to cut it open. It's basically held together by the plastic. So once you open the plastic, just be mindful it's going to start expanding. Not a big deal. It's a trifold. Give it overnight. Let it expand overnight so you can get to the 4-inch depth that it needs, or thickness it needs. The dimensions are in the video, so if you're curious about those, I'll leave Amazon links. It's good for side sleepers. It's a medium firm feel. It's a memory foam mattress with a cooling gel layer so you don't sweat to death. I installed it in my Infinity QX80. This is the mattress I'm going to use on my West Coast trip. This is me testing it at, I don't know where I was at here. I may have been at John Martin Reservoir, one of the ones like that. Basically, it fit in here with no problem. Also, I have a bed platform underneath it that I'm utilizing here that I cut for this. I'm not going to show it to people. You can make your own. You have to know your own dimensions and what you like and what width you need on it. It's modified from another one. Now, with that, when I do go to use it, I'm not taking the bed platform. I decided it's comfortable enough without me putting the bed platform in it. So I'm definitely going to use it on my road trip. You can see my e-bike fits in there with no issues. I can sleep in the back, which I really like. Stop at a rest stop, hop in the back. Anyway, links will be in the description for the Sweetnight Trifold Mattress. Hope this helps. Enjoy your time out in the wilderness, road trips, whatever. I think this is a good accessory for that. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.